guys, it's Taylor and I'm here back again at Shoes of Hollywood, and I've got a review for these beautiful shoes. These are the holographic 7 inches. These are a lace-up shoe. They also have a zipper on the side, so if you do lace them up so that it fits you, you're not having to lace them every time. You can just zip on and zip off. These do also come with a really grippy bottom, which is always good when you've got a platform shoe. Definitely want something that's going to grip and not slip. Alright, let's try these on. These are so comfy. Just give you guys a little side view. So you can see the green and the purple and blue. So yeah, these are the holographic shoes. So these ones are new and they will be releasing more soon. So I'll give you guys a close-up of this one. So these are the holographic, and when I say holographic it means it changes colour, so from what angle you're looking at the boot it's a different colour. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but when I do this you should be able to see it change from blue to green to purple. Now these are a new style, so I definitely would recommend these. They are, I haven't seen a boot like these. For all the boot lovers out there, you know, I definitely think this one is going to be your new go-to boot. It's got the really nice grip on the bottom, you know, and the laces, and I love the zip. It's always easy to have a zip, so much easier. And there you go. These are the Pleaser Adore-1020. Definitely come in and grab one of these before they all go. So I know I'll be taking a pair home. See you guys, bye.